a balanced diet is the best way to be healthy and lose weight. Proof of this possibility is this wonderful combination. Today's video will discuss natural cotton cleanse recipe with honey, apple, chia and flax seeds. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. The smoothie we are teaching you about today will provide you with the fibers and nutrients necessary to be healthy and lose that horrible fluid retention. Besides that, we know that in order for the digestive system to work well, some foods might help you, like chia. The great quantity of fiber together with the high protein content of these seeds make it an amazing ally in weight loss diets. The seed contains omega-3 and 6, which is essential for brain health, and it also helps to lose weight. No wonder chia is used in vegetable and fruit salads and yogurts because it brings numerous benefits to our health. Want to know what to do to include chia in your weight loss diet? This powerful drink helps you keep your colon clean and your waist slim. Here are the ingredients: 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of linseed seeds, 1 apple, honey to taste. Instructions: wash, peel and cut apples into pieces. Next, mix everything in a blender. It's recommended to take this drink for a week to see the benefits. Are you going to try this recipe? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.